Hey, what's up? Neil here. All right, I want to talk about playing FPV Logic on Linux. Okay, FPV Logic is a game that you can buy in Steam, and it's only meant for Mac and Windows. Though with a hack, you'll be able to play it in Linux, and that's what I did back in November 2024. I bought FPV Logic and then I installed Proton. Proton is a very cool kind of like add-on for Steam that will allow you to play games that are only meant for Windows and Mac. Okay? And like what I said, FPV Logic is only meant to be played on Windows and Mac. So in 2019, it was my first time to hear about Steam. And I heard it because I was told that in order for me to improve and learn how to fly an FPV drone, FPV quadcopter, I have to first try um, first try flying using a simulator and a real radio controller. So I bought a Jumper T16. I installed Steam, and then I bought Liftoff. So that was in 2019. And then fast forward to 2024, I've been seeing so many cool YouTube videos about newer simulators, and I've seen Tripe, I've seen FPV Logic, I've seen Velocidrone, and few more. I forgot the other ones. And Crash, that's another one. So I watch many videos on YouTube, and then I fell in love with FPV Logic. So that's the one I bought. I think I paid like $19. Okay, you'll have to buy that in Steam. So I started I started using FPV Logic in November of 2024, and then I played it for a month. But unfortunately, I had to upgrade my NVIDIA driver here for the video card and some GPU drivers. I couldn't remember what I was trying to do. Oh, I remember now. I was trying to get DaVinci Resolve working because in like 2017 or 16 I was using DaVinci Resolve, and the way for me to fix the GPU issues on DaVinci was to install and upgrade the NVIDIA drivers. And I did that in December of 2024. And unfortunately, I couldn't get it to work. I am not sure why. So I actually spent so much time trying to get that DaVinci Resolve working, and I found a software called Fat Tire. So I'm using Fat Tire now to use DaVinci Resolve. But anyways, going back to FPV Logic and Steam, I didn't realize that the new drivers that I installed for DaVinci, sorry, for the NVIDIA card and the GPU, actually corrupted or messed up Steam. So every time I run Steam, it would pop up with do you like to install these libraries, yes or no? So I would say yes, and then at the end of the message it would say failed to update, something like that, and then Steam wouldn't run. I tried it for like months, so that means I wasn't able to play FPV Logic until 3 days ago. Okay, so I wanted to play FPVLOGIC again, so I've been looking for solutions on the internet, and I was looking for a container-based solution inside the Docker, and I found three of them. The first two didn't work, but this one, this Docker Steam Headless, yeah, this one is the only thing that worked. Okay, but I did still encounter like issues where I had to modify some configuration files, which I'll show you later. Okay, that's the one I use, and it's Docker based, and specifically I use I followed this one, the Docker Compose. Okay, I followed this, so let's click it. So these are the instructions I followed. There you go. And then all you have to do is to run it doesn't show here, I just know how to start it. Okay, you run it by executing Docker Compose up minus D or hyphen D, which is daemon, or to run in background, and then it's gonna read Docker Compose YAML file. So let's go to the terminal so I can show you where I did this thing. So we'll go inside the OPT container services Steam Headless. There you go. So in this folder, I'm already there. Okay, so that way we don't have to waste time. So I created a Docker Compose which they provided, but using their template, their example, it was actually not making my Radiomaster Zorro work. I spent a day and I couldn't get it to work. So if we do this, ls -l dev input, okay, you'll see here, I'll show you later, you won't see any device that is named JS0. Man, I've been biting my tongue. It's so painful. That's why I'm speaking like this. I've been biting my tongue while I'm talking. So, beg pardon for that. Okay. So, anyways, so that's the device that we need. So it will only show up once I connect the Radiomaster Zorro controller. So again, that's the ls, and then now I'm going to connect the Radiomaster Zorro. I'm gonna turn it on.
Welcome to HTX.
Okay, and then I'm gonna use the USB-C. And then once you connect the USB-C, there will be a pop-up on the LCD display. I'll pick joystick, USB joystick. Okay, now it's selected. Now if we run ls dev input again, see? JS0. Now if we open up the Docker Compose file that I said I downloaded from their website, this is their template. That didn't have the JS0 device. I had to add it. So let's search this. I'm running VI. Okay, that's the editor in Unix. /VI. Oh, sorry. /JS0. So I can show you the line that I added. Okay, that's the line I added. Dev input JS0. It's a mapping. Okay. So what I'm doing here is, hey Docker container, I have this device outside which is running on the host machine, which is found in the host machine. please make it available inside the container. Okay, so that's how you actually map a device outside of or part of the host machine. When I say host, that's your desktop machine, and then your guest machine is the container. Okay, and Docker Compose will be read by Docker Compose YAML file. YAML file is a type of format. It's a configuration file. So in order for that to be read, you have to run Docker and then compose and then up, meaning start it and then make it run in background. That's D, which is daemon. Okay, daemon. So now let's zoom out. I'm gonna press enter and we'll zoom out. You know what? I won't zoom out so you can see what's going on. All right, started. Let's zoom out because it will pop up something on maybe somewhere on the left part of the screen. It's gonna run an X terminal. Okay, so it's as if nothing is happening, but it's actually launching all the commands inside the Docker container. And that Docker container that I was talking about is the Steam headless. Okay, the one we were looking at earlier. Yeah, this one. And you will know that it has started when the background changes. It changes the wallpaper to Steam. Right now, it's still not fully launched yet or fully started yet. That's why it's still my original wallpaper. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this my machine is from 2009. It's very old. It's only 16 gigabytes. That's why it's a little bit slow. And then yeah, it's kind of slow. So pardon my machine's slowness. There you go. That's the X term I was talking about. Okay. There you go. Let's zoom in. So you can see installing. Oh, there you go. It's done. Let's zoom out. And then eventually the wallpaper will now change to the Steam wallpaper. Maybe let's give it another minute. Anyways, guys, how's your flying? How's your FPV? It's there you go. It changed the wallpaper now to Steam. Yeah, hey, there you go. That's Steam. All right, we are now inside the container. It's updating Steam. There you go. Okay. Let's wait for maybe another minute just to make sure. And then also, what I'd like to show you another thing that I modified inside Steam. So this is how you run Steam. So you click this color blue thing here. Yeah, it's hidden. I don't know if we'll be able to zoom in there. Yeah, there you go. Okay. And then games, I'll just launch Steam. I can launch FPVLOGIC, but I want to launch Steam because I'd like to show something to you. And that way it's also recorded in case in the future I'll have to do it. I can just go back to my YouTube video and then I'll have a solution on how to do it again, just in case if I mess up my machine again. Okay. So, library. I think it will show here Proton. I don't know where Proton is. Steam. Proton, yeah. I installed Proton, okay? But that's not the one I wanted to show you to get FPVLOGIC working. So I think if I click this, it's gonna play right away, which we don't want. So let's go to Steam, and then settings. And then here, under controller, what did I do? I enabled this, okay? I changed this, enabled in games without support, and then I couldn't remember if I enabled this, and then this one was, I think, on by default. Although there's another window that I actually um, opened. It doesn't look like this. Where would that be? I hope I can find it. Test device input. Oh, I remember now where it's at. Let's close this. Did it close it? Nope. I remember it was. I think when I click FPVLOGIC, it showed here. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, there you go. This is what I wanted to show you. So, but the other one, the controller part, the tab, it's also important. And then also here is where I did some changes the other day. So let's click it. Let me zoom in. Yeah, this is the one I was talking about. I clicked it. And then I think I clicked properties maybe. Yeah, there you go. This is the one I did. I think this was disabled. Yeah, I think this was disabled. Enable Steam overlay while in game, or maybe that's checked. Key games save in. Okay, maybe it's under controller. Yeah, this is the one. So this was different. I I I selected disable stream input, and then also I don't remember if this is selectable. No, but yeah, guys, this is it. This is very important. So select this. So if it wasn't, if I didn't change it, what was happening is that my radio master Zorro was being detected as a keyboard and not as a controller. Okay, don't worry about this. Okay, so yeah, I hope this won't embarrass me. Let us exit this. No, it's not exit out. Exiting out the Zoom. I'm not sure why. I have no idea why. It's not. There you go. So let's play it. And also the another thing that I need to debug is the audio. So I have to find the device, the sound device on the host operating system, and pass it down to the Docker container. That's what I'm gonna do next. All right. So let's play it. Okay, play. There you go. And then, yeah, the label, it showed OpenTX Jumper T16. Yeah, I don't know why, but what I have here is a Radio Master Zorro. So it's launching. Let's wait. My machine is so slow. Okay, but it should be up soon. Yeah, I like this game a lot. It's like real. Come on, please show up. My audience are are vanishing. They're disappearing. Stop. Okay, I think it should be up soon. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's so slow. But when I'm playing, it's not slow anymore. Yeah. Maybe because I'm running OBS and I'm recording the screen. Oh, there you go. So now it's gonna turn black. Okay. And I really hope the controller works because yesterday I was playing, and then it would show up the rainbow colored like the old school TV when there's no signal. It would show that up soon. That one. All right, there you go. So hopefully this one, yeah, it works, guys. So I'm gonna push the throttle. There you go. See, told you. So those things that I shared with you is uh, is the way to get your controller working inside the Docker container. I did not have to do that when I was using the native version of Steam back in November 2024. The one that you saw today, I had to do that hack or workaround because it was running inside a container, and the container didn't have didn't know the JS0 device, which is the joystick. JS is joystick, 0 is the device number. Okay, which one I was playing? I think factory one. Yeah, click factory one and we'll click next. And yeah, and then click free flight. Yeah, should be up soon. I'm pretty sure this was quick yesterday. Again, because maybe OBS is recording, there's a lot of this disk activity, right? It's loading the game, and then this game is maybe quite huge. It's loading it into the memory, and then it's gonna render it, and then boom, yeah. All right, so okay, now it's moving. There you go. So we'll play. Oh, it's a little sluggish because of OBS. It wasn't like this yesterday. Yeah. Yeah. It's hard because it's so sluggish. Yeah. It's so sluggish. Where am I at? There you go. I was trying to do a half matty. Yeah, I like half matty flip a lot. It's so hard. Maybe if I wasn't recording in 4K, I think it would perform better. Yeah, my fingers are acting differently because of the uh, video performance degradation. It's so slow. Yeah. Oh, I thought I was on the other side. Yeah. Oh, I hit something. Oh, guys, I want to go to Sloss Furnace. Yeah. So I'm looking for a flight in Alabama. I think I'm going there. So I have to buy the ticket. I think the ticket is about $30 just for one day. I'm not sure where I'm at. Yeah, Derby drone something. Yeah, I'm not sure where I'm at. I've never been to this area. Where am I at? What am I doing? What is this? I think it's called trippy spin. Yeah. I'm lost. I don't know where I was at. Yeah. Originally, where I was at, I'm lost. Oh, let's look for the red tower. Yeah, silo. Oh yeah, this is where I usually practice. Yeah, this one. I wanna try the. See. I can't get that half matted because of. Yeah. Oh, I hit the. I hit this water tower. Cool. Wow, I got that. Finally, I got it. Ooh. Woohoo. Nice. Followed by. Oh, I hit it. Oh my god. Alrighty, guys. It's so slow. I have to quit this. Yeah. Let's. How do I quit this? Maybe escape? Yeah, escape. I'm gonna play later after my recording. So, guys, yeah, I'm really happy that I got it to work, and I'm sharing it to you guys. So, if you guys encounter same problems as me, and then here, then that's the solution. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this series, this episode. Have a great night. Okay. Later.